In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a large file using Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your file, set the right sharing permissions, and send a link that works for the people who need it. Start by signing into Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use more than one, and confirm you have enough storage space for the file you're about to upload. Large files can take time, so a stable internet connection will make the process smoother. Once you're in your drive, upload the file. Right-click anywhere in the main drive area, choose File Upload, and select the large file from your computer. You'll see an upload status appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Let it run until it finishes completely. It's best not to close the tab while the upload is in progress. If the file is very large, consider staying connected to reliable Wi-Fi and keeping your device awake so the upload doesn't pause. When the upload is done, locate the file in your drive. Right-click on the uploaded file and select Share. This opens the sharing window where you'll control who can access the file and what they can do with it. Look for the section that manages general access. Click the drop-down to adjust restrictions. If you want only specific people to view it, you can leave it on restricted and add individual email addresses. If you need to share broadly, choose anyone with the link. This setting makes the file accessible to anyone who has the link without requiring sign-in, which is especially helpful when sending to people outside your organization or when you're unsure who exactly will need access. Next, set the role. Viewer means people can only see the file. Commenter allows them to leave comments without changing the content. Editor gives full editing rights. For most large file shares, Viewer is the safest option, and you can upgrade permissions later if collaboration is needed. Only grant editor access to people you trust to change or manage the file. Once the access and role are set, click Copy Link. Paste that link into an email, a message, or wherever you need to share it. Let your recipients know what to expect, like whether they should just download the file or provide feedback. That's it, you've uploaded your large file, set the right visibility, chosen the appropriate role, and copied a shareable link. If something doesn't work, revisit the sharing window to double-check the access level. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.